What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best short throw projectors in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. For those seeking a product that delivers maximum value for their investment, the Optima Cinema X D2W stands out as the best value short throw projector of 2023. This ultra short throw 4K laser-based projector is not just another piece of technology, it's a game changer in the world of home cinema. The Optima Cinema X D2 Smart brings a theoretical illumination of 3000 lumens and a contrast ratio of 1,800,000 to 1 to your viewing experience. This means you get incredibly bright and vivid images with deep blacks and brilliant whites, resulting in an immersive and realistic picture quality that rivals commercial cinemas. Unlike some competitors that run on the Chinese version of Android TV, the Cinema X D2 Smart operates on the global Android TV platform. This not only ensures a familiar and user-friendly interface, but also provides access to a wide array of streaming services and apps. The projector also boasts superior power efficiency compared to competing models like Xiaomi and operates quietly, ensuring nothing distracts you from your viewing experience. Supporting both HDR10 and HLG, the Cinema X D2 Smart can handle high dynamic range content, enhancing the detail and color accuracy of the images it projects. It's also capable of playing 3D content, adding an extra dimension to your movie nights. An integrated 20-watt audio system delivers clear and powerful sound, while an included external Android dongle gives the projector smart and wireless functionality. The projector's IR sensor is cleverly concealed behind a front light gray cloth grille, maintaining the sleek and uncluttered appearance of the unit. Ventilation is well catered for, with a large air intake at the back and another on the left side, while hot air is expelled from the right side. A fixed 0.25 to 1 throw ratio lens is standard for UST projectors, and the Cinema X D2 Smart is no different. It includes a geometry correction feature with horizontal and vertical keystone, 3x3 wrap, and 4 angle adjustment options. Digital zoom and image panning are also available if needed. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The LG Electronics Cinebeam HU715QW is recognized as the best Ultra HD short throw projector available in 2023. LG excels in delivering crisp, large-scale images that are visually stunning. With its native 4K resolution, it brings out the finest details in the content you watch. For instance, No Time to Die, the latest James Bond movie, looks exceptionally sharp on this device. The texture of skin and clothing appears detailed without being overly etched, and the edges are well defined. The 4K image quality gives you a TV-like viewing experience, but with an added cinematic touch that only a projector can provide. The Cinema Home HDR mode seems to offer the best blend of color and detail. Even though the colors can sometimes appear a bit vivid, skin tones maintain a warm and vibrant hue without seeming exaggerated. With a sleek design, sharp picture quality, and built-in WebOS, the LG Cinebeam HU715QW is as good as a projector turned TV can get. The projector's aesthetically pleasing minimalist box design, cloaked in an appealing off-white shade, can easily be the focal point of a home theater setup. A small multi-function power button is cleverly concealed beneath the recessed faceplate, adding to the projector's sleek and seamless profile. Weighing just over 11 kilograms, the projector is not too difficult to move and set up. Its moderate size ensures it fits comfortably in any standard TV cabinet. A variety of ports are neatly hidden on the back panel for easy access. 4 adjustable feet at the bottom of the projector allow you to adjust the image position by twisting or pulling them out. The fan noise averages 27 decibels, producing a mild hum that's barely noticeable when a movie is paused. It supports HDR and HDR10 and HLG formats. Although it doesn't support Dolby Vision or HDR10 Plus dynamic HDR formats, the HU715QW comes with its own dynamic tone mapping feature designed to optimize static HDR signals. According to LG, the HU715QW can project images ranging from 80 to 120 inches, with a 100-inch image achievable when the projector is placed 21.7 centimeters away from the projection surface. Thumbs up. The Samsung LSP9T Premier stands as the finest and most luxurious short throw projector available in 2023. This home entertainment solution has set a new standard with its exceptional picture quality, impressive sound, and comprehensive features. The Premier LSP-T9's ultra short throw design, combined with its 2800 lumen laser light capacity, support for the latest 4K and HDR standards, robust built-in audio system, and an integrated tuner and smart system, positions it as a formidable contender in the realm of large-screen TVs. Notably, the image quality on this projector is second to none. The innovative design of the laser light source ensures exceptional exceptional brightness and color intensity. The images produced by the premier LSP9T are genuinely 4K, providing a rich cinematic viewing experience with no visible pixel structure, even at its maximum image size of 130 inches. Though it's not fully optimized for next-generation gaming, and occasional flaws in black level and transient color banding noise remind you of its laser DLP optical system, it excels as an ultra-short throw projector. It's equipped with a unique triple laser design that enhances color gamut and brightness, and it features one of the most potent audio systems in a projector. The LSP9T's design is dictated by the optimal requirements of an ultra-short throw projector, but within these constraints, it manages to look quite appealing. Its premium glossy white finish is nicely complemented by gray fabric covering the speakers. Rounded corners add a homely touch, and the build quality is top-notch. The LSP9T doesn't skimp on connectivity options. It comes with 3 HDMI ports, which is more than most projectors offer, and an RF input. Unlike most UST projectors, including LG's HU85LS, the premier LSP9T features a fully functional digital TV tuner. This highlights Samsung's intent to position the premier projectors as viable alternatives to large, costly LCD TVs. Lastly, the projector's built-in speakers, powered by audio beam technology, deliver a surprisingly large soundstage with great precision. By projector standards, the sound quality is outstanding, rivaling many TVs. All these features make the Samsung LSP9T Premier a worthy investment for those seeking a premier home theater experience. As we continue our review, the Hisense PX1 Pro emerges as a strong contender for the title of the best runner-up short throw projector in 2023. Both user feedback and our assessment confirm this. The PX1 Pro's remarkable clarity and color performance underscore the fact that while size matters, quality reigns supreme. Part of a growing niche of projectors that require minimal setup and can function in almost any room size, the Hisense PX1 Pro is a standout. It does require a wall large enough to support a 90 to 130 inch screen, but with its ultra short throw of 0.25 to 1, it can be placed just an inch away from the screen and it still will fit it entirely. The PX1 Pro's 3-color laser projection system, impressive specs, and built-in sound position it as not just a home cinema projector, but also an alternative to a large screen TV. It functions as an all-in-one home theater, similar to the Gami Aurora and the now discontinued Optima Cinema XP2. Despite its hefty size and weight, the PX1 Pro houses a Tricom tricolor laser engine, ultra short throw optics, and a 30-watt stereo sound system with Dolby Atmos processing. The advantage of a laser light source over a traditional lamp is its longevity, with the PX1 Pro promising up to 25,000 hours of life. This means you won't need a replacement for at least a decade or possibly longer. Designed to fill a 16:9 screen size from 90 to 130 inches, the Hisense PX1 Pro offers no flexibility to accommodate a smaller or larger screen by adjusting the throw distance. However, its high specs, including pixel-shifted Ultra HD resolution, a wide color gamut that can display 1.07 billion colors, a maximum brightness of 2200 lumens, and support for HDR10, Dolby Vision, and Filmmaker mode, more than make up for this lack of flexibility. And while sound won't replicate a Dolby Atmos speaker system or even a Dolby Atmos soundbar, it delivers more powerful, immersive audio with decent stereo effects and clear dialogue. All these features and capabilities make the Hisense PX1 Pro a worthy addition to any home theater setup. In the realm of short throw projectors in 2023, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 stands out as the ultimate choice. The projector is a marvel of innovation and refinement, boasting one of the shortest throw ratios in the industry and delivering an impressively bright and vivid image quality. The LS800 has been designed with a focus on enhancing every aspect of home entertainment. It comes equipped with built-in Android TV, ensuring seamless streaming of your favorite content. The dynamic contrast is remarkable, and the sound system crafted by Yamaha produces rich and immersive audio. For gaming enthusiasts, the ultra-low input lag provides a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Where the LS800 truly shines is in its living room performance. Paired with a high-quality lenticular ambient light-rejecting ALR screen, it creates a stunning visual spectacle that is hard to match. While it may not excel as much in HDR handling or sharpness as some other ultra-short-throw projectors, and may not be the best fit for a dedicated cinema space with light control due to its average native contrast, it compensates with its exceptional brightness. It delivers a vibrant, usable image at any time of the day, regardless of the lighting conditions. The LS800 builds upon the foundation laid by its predecessor, the LS500, delivering an impressive 4,000 lumens of brightness powered by 20,000 hours of blue laser plus phosphor power. This power is channeled through Epson's exclusive 4K Pro UHD 3 LCD pixel shift system, offering near 4K resolution on the screen. Epson's 3-chip LCD design ensures ample brightness, outperforming most single-chip DLP projectors. The LS800 takes full advantage of its brightness, supporting screens up to 150 inches from extremely close distances. This makes it a true ultra-short throw projector, capable of fitting into many media consoles even for 120-inch screens. Despite its large size and weight, the LS800 is sleek and stylish. A large removable canvas cover conceals a custom-designed Yamaha 2.1 audio engine system that delivers surprisingly good sound quality. The projector also comes with a manual focus slider and an array of ports hidden under a removable cover on the side. The built-in 2.1-channel virtual surround system, designed exclusively for Epson by Yamaha, offers impressive audio performance with presets for TV, sports, movies, and music. In conclusion, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 is a superbly designed, feature-packed projector that delivers an unparalleled home entertainment experience. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 short throw projectors in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.